Salam to all, I am Dr. Ayaz and you are watching Lepro channel. We are going to discuss a very important allied subject for general surgeons. Radiology is very important for the general surgeons and CT scan is one of the most important modalities of radiology. It not only helps in the localization of the organs and the pathologies but also helps in planning the surgery. In this video, we will be discussing the abdominal CT scans mainly and the basic principles. Video B and Video C will contain images and 3D reconstruction of the CT scans. CT scan is a computer processed multi-sliced X-ray where multiple images are produced and they are stacked over one another and then computer regenerates them to make an image. The best thing about CT scan is that we can move about the images as virtual objects. The dosage of X-rays required is very high and can cause cancers. Blood, bone and calcification, all three appear as white objects on the X-rays. It can be remembered as a mnemonic BBC. We can use contrast media to enhance various organs and especially the pathologies therein. Contrasts can be given from different portals and they give characteristic appearances at different phases. Left lower image is the CT scan machine and right lower image is the console where we can operate and control the machine. This is the area where the patient is laid down and the X-ray machine is located over here. How does it work? The patient is basically laid down in a supine position while the X-ray machine rolls around it and takes multiple images. These images are then processed in the central processing unit of the machine and then we manipulate them, resize them, and we can also remove unwanted objects. In this way we can have the detailed look on internal organs, their external and internal appearance. This is a printer for the CT scans and it helps us print the desired CT scans. Let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses of the CT scan. Its strengths are that it has a high spatial and contrast resolution. Images can further be enhanced by the use of contrast. Rapid acquisition of the images is also possible. It is particularly helpful in diagnosing the pulmonary, hepatic, pancreatic, renal and bowel pathology. Global assessment of abdomen and pelvis including all the viscera and all the pathologies is possible. 3D reconstruction is a very helpful tool regarding the fracture imaging and also helps in CT angiography and virtual colonoscopy. While its demerits are high dose of radiation is used, soft tissues in the periphery are less enhanced and the patient has to lie all the time. Let's have a look on the dosage of radiation that we give during CT scans. CT scan head gets a very high dosage of radiation which is equivalent to the 115 chest X-rays done simultaneously. Otherwise, a normal person would take a year to get similar amount of radiation by the nature. A few basics regarding the CT scan, how to interpret and how to find which phase and which type of the CT scan it is. On the top left corner, we can see the zero image or no contrast CT scan. In this phase, there is no contrast given and it is used to compare various contrast phases. Image B on the top right corner is the arterial phase where the contrast has gone to the aorta and is passing on to the main arteries. The arterial components of various organs are highlighted over here like kidney and liver. Image C on the left lower corner shows the venous phase. It is also called as the portal venous phase. All the major veins are highlighted while the arteries have started to fade out. Image D in the right lower corner shows the fading away of the contrast after its uniform distribution and it is being concentrated in the kidneys. Let's get technological help. The images shown are from the mobile phone application which helps us delineate various organs. Its name is given in the description. You just need to take the pointer to an organ and it will be highlighted, its name will be given and you can easily learn anatomy. In the end, I would like to thank you and appreciate any suggestions if you deem necessary in the comment section. Take good care of yourself. Best wishes for your future. Allah Hafiz.